The Soundcore Flare 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a portable speaker, the Soundcore Flare 2. I will go over specs, features, provide music samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide and a USB-C charging cable. The Flare 2 features 12 hours of playtime, 3.5 hours to fully charge, 20-watt drivers and 360 sound, dual light rings, and a bass up feature, and you can link up to 100 plus speakers, button controls and an app, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The speaker is compact and portable in size. It has a bit of weight to it and it feels solid all around. It's lined with a fabric mesh, and you get dual light rings on the top and bottom. On the front you have the branding, and on the bottom is a rubberized base that provides stability. On the top you have the following controls: volume up, volume down, the light effects, and power button. And on the back, you'll find the Bluetooth pairing and PartyCast button and the bass up. And you'll also find the USB-C port for charging. The speaker is about 6 inches in height. The top is under 3 inches wide. And the bottom base is roughly 3¼ inches wide. It weighs in at 602 grams. The speaker also has app integration through the Soundcore app. Once connected, you can control playback along with access to EQ presets or customize your own. You can also toggle the lighting with various presets. And now for some audio samples.
Tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I'm a one to one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one to one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. These produce some immersive, rich sounds. The bass doesn't disappoint and it's heavy hitting for its small size. Punchy and tight and not lacking at all. You have the option with the bass up feature to dial it up a notch if you're looking for more. Mids and highs are also clean and clear. Just a balanced sounding experience. And you can go from energetic to relaxing sounds by toggling the EQ presets or setting your own. It's loud enough to fill a medium to large size room with no issues. I like the fact that you can pair it with multiple Flare 2 speakers, and the dual LED lighting adds a nice accent. Battery life is good, coming in at 12 hours, and the IPX7 rating will definitely make this very versatile. This speaker has tremendous value and it's feature packed and can be used in many different settings. So that is my review of the Soundcore Flare 2. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.